Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome to another journey through time and space. Today, we journey to a city where time seems to stand still, where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Imagine walking through narrow cobblestone streets, where history whispers on every corner, telling tales of centuries gone by. Here, the picturesque old town is a living canvas, where ancient beauty captivates the soul and every building has a story to tell. Welcome to Prague, the city of 100 spires. A place where the skyline is dotted with majestic spires that reach for the heavens. Imagine a place where cobblestone streets lead you past colorful buildings, each with a story to tell, each a piece of the city's rich tapestry. Picture yourself strolling across centuries-old bridges, their stones worn smooth by time and countless footsteps, each step echoing with history. That's the magic of Prague. A city where every street, every corner, and every building is a testament to its glorious past. This city is a living museum. Its streets a captivating blend of Romanesque, Gothic, Baroque, and Art Nouveau architecture, each style adding its own unique charm to the city's character. From majestic castles that stand as sentinels of history to hidden courtyards that offer a glimpse into the past, every corner reveals a new wonder waiting to be discovered. So, are you ready to step back in time with me and discover the magic of historic Prague? Let's go. Together, we'll uncover the secrets and stories that make this city truly timeless. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine the gentle clatter of horse-drawn carriages on cobblestone streets. Feel the crisp air on your face as you walk beneath the watchful gaze of ancient towers. Open your eyes. We've arrived in Prague's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These charming streets have remained virtually unchanged for centuries. Look around you. Colorful houses adorned with intricate details line the narrow lanes. Gaslights cast a warm glow, transporting you back in time. The aroma of freshly baked trdelník, a traditional Czech pastry, fills the air. Every step you take in Prague is a step back in time. Let's continue our journey and discover the treasures that await. High above the city, overlooking the Vltava River, stands Prague Castle, a symbol of Czech history and power. This sprawling complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is actually a collection of palaces, churches, and gardens. Imagine being a king or queen residing within these walls. For centuries, Prague Castle has been the seat of Bohemian rulers, Holy Roman emperors, and even Czech presidents. As you explore the castle grounds, don't miss St. Vitus Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Step inside and be amazed by its towering stained glass windows, intricate carvings, and the tombs of Bohemian kings. From the castle ramparts, enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of Prague. It's easy to see why Prague Castle is one of the most visited attractions in the city. No visit to Prague is complete without a leisurely stroll across the iconic Charles Bridge. This historic structure, with its cobblestone pathway and stunning views, is a must-see for anyone visiting the city. As you step onto the bridge, you are immediately transported back in time, feeling the weight of history beneath your feet. This medieval marvel, completed in the 15th century, connects Prague Castle to the Old Town. The bridge has witnessed countless historical events and has been a silent observer of the city's evolution. Its construction began in 1357 under the auspices of King Charles IV, and it has stood the test of time, surviving floods, wars, and the passage of centuries. As you cross the bridge, imagine the countless people who have walked this very path over the centuries: kings and queens, merchants and artists, locals and visitors, all drawn to the bridge's timeless beauty. The bridge has been a vital artery for the city, facilitating trade and cultural exchange. Each step you take is a step through history, where every stone has a story to tell. Pause along the way to admire the 30 Baroque statues that line the bridge, each with its own fascinating story. These statues, added in the 17th and 18th centuries, depict various saints and historical figures, adding to the bridge's rich tapestry of art and history. Each statue is a masterpiece, inviting you to delve deeper into the legends and lore of Prague. Legend has it that touching the statue of St. John of Nepomuk brings good luck. This statue, one of the most famous on the bridge, commemorates the saint who was martyred by being thrown into the Vltava River. Visitors from around the world come to touch the statue, hoping to receive a blessing or make a wish. Whether you visit during the day, when the bridge bustles with street performers and vendors, or at night, when the city lights twinkle below, a walk across Charles Bridge is a truly unforgettable experience. The atmosphere changes with the time of day, offering a unique charm each time you visit. During the day, the bridge is alive with music, art, and the vibrant energy of the crowd. At night, it transforms into a serene, almost magical place, where the illuminated statues cast long shadows and the distant hum of the city fades away. No matter when you choose to visit, Charles Bridge promises a journey through time and a feast for the senses. Section 5. The Heart of Prague, Old Town Square. Welcome to Old Town Square, the beating heart of Prague. This historic square is not just a place, it's an experience, a journey through time. This bustling square has been the city's central gathering place for centuries, witnessing everything from coronations to executions. Imagine the vibrant markets that once filled these cobblestone streets, the lively chatter of merchants and the grand processions that marked significant events. As you stand in the square, imagine the historical events that unfolded here. Picture the medieval festivals, the public announcements, and the pivotal moments that shaped the city's history. It's easy to picture knights on horseback, merchants hawking their wares, and townspeople going about their daily lives. The square was a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and traditions, each leaving its mark on the city's rich tapestry. Gaze up at the iconic astronomical clock, a masterpiece of medieval engineering. This clock is not just a timepiece, it's a symbol of Prague's ingenuity and artistic heritage. Every hour, the clock puts on a show as the 12 apostles parade past the clock face. It's a mesmerizing spectacle that has captivated visitors for generations, a reminder of the city's enduring charm. Surrounding the square are stunning examples of Prague's architectural diversity, from the Gothic spires of the Tin Church to the colorful Baroque facades of the surrounding buildings. Each structure tells a story, reflecting the city's evolution through the ages. Take your time to explore, soak up the atmosphere, and imagine yourself transported back in time. Whether you're marveling at the intricate details of the buildings or simply enjoying the lively ambiance, Old Town Square offers a unique glimpse into Prague's soul. Section 6. Echoes of History. Prague's history is a tapestry woven with threads of triumph and tragedy. As you wander through the city, you'll encounter echoes of its past at every turn. Visit the Jewish Quarter, a poignant reminder of Prague's once thriving Jewish community. Explore its synagogues and the Old Jewish Cemetery, a place of profound historical significance. For a glimpse into Prague's darker side, venture into the underground passages beneath the Old Town Hall. These eerie corridors once served as dungeons and torture chambers. And don't forget to look for the bronze stumbling stones or stolpersteins scattered throughout the city. These small memorials commemorate the victims of Nazi persecution during World War II. Section 7. A Feast for the Senses. Prague is a feast for all the senses. We've already talked about the sights and sounds, but let's not forget about the tastes and smells that make Prague so unique. Indulge in hearty Czech cuisine, from savory goulash and dumplings to trdelník, a sweet pastry roasted over an open fire. Wash it all down with a refreshing Pilsner Urquell, a world-renowned beer brewed in the Czech Republic since the 19th century. As you explore the city, be sure to duck into one of Prague's many charming cafes. Enjoy a cup of strong Czech coffee and a slice of honey cake while watching the world go by. Section 8. Prague Awaits. Prague is calling, inviting you to discover its secrets, to lose yourself in its history, and to experience its magic. From its fairy tale castle to its charming old town, Prague is a city that will capture your heart and stay with you long after you've said goodbye. Imagine yourself wandering through ancient streets, crossing the iconic Charles Bridge, and gazing up at the astronomical clock. Picture yourself indulging in delicious Czech cuisine, exploring hidden courtyards, and soaking up the city's vibrant atmosphere. Are you ready to answer Prague's call? Section 9. Your Prague adventure begins. Planning a trip to Prague is easier than ever. With its convenient location in the heart of Europe, Prague is accessible by air, rail, and road. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, food, or simply soaking up the atmosphere of a truly unique city, Prague has something to offer everyone. So why wait? Start planning your Prague adventure today. Book your flights, pack your bags, and get ready to step back in time in the enchanting city of Prague. I can't wait to hear about your adventures.